Hey there, travel enthusiasts and aspiring globetrotters. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving into 12 incredible jobs that will allow you to travel the world while still earning a paycheck. If you've ever dreamt of combining work with wanderlust, this video is for you. So let's get started. First up, we have the digital nomad. This is the ultimate dream job for many. As a digital nomad, you can work remotely from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a web developer, graphic designer, or marketer, your office could be a beach in Bali one day and a cafe in Paris the next. The digital nomadic lifestyle offers not just a paycheck, but a passport to endless adventures. It's a lifestyle that champions flexibility, exploration, and the blending of professional growth with the enrichment of diverse cultures, making it a truly transformative way to make money while traveling the world. Next on our list is the travel blogger. It's an exhilarating journey where you get paid to share your adventures with the world. Armed with a camera and a passion for storytelling, you embark on a quest to explore new destinations, cultures, and cuisines, all while capturing the essence of your experiences through words and visuals. Travel bloggers have the power to transport their readers and viewers to far-off places, igniting their own travel dreams. Through monetization avenues such as advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can turn your travel tales into a sustainable income stream. The travel blogger's life is a perpetual quest for the extraordinary, and it offers a unique opportunity to not only make money, but also inspire and connect with people from all corners of the globe. If you're a wordsmith at heart, consider becoming a travel writer. It's an adventure where you explore new horizons and cultures, penning your experiences to transport readers to distant lands through your words. With a notebook in hand and an eye for detail, you embark on a continuous journey of discovery. Your stories, vivid descriptions, and insightful narratives allow others to live vicariously through your travels, making you a storyteller and an explorer. Travel writers contribute articles to magazines, websites, and guidebooks, transforming their wanderlust into a sustainable income source. This profession not only fosters personal growth and cultural immersion, but also offers a rewarding way to make money while exploring the world, one destination at a time. Teaching English as a foreign language is another fantastic option. You can travel to different countries and immerse yourself in local cultures while teaching English to students eager to learn. This career allows you to transcend borders and teach students from diverse backgrounds right from your laptop. As you journey through different countries and cultures, you can simultaneously help others enhance their English proficiency, opening doors for them in a globalized world. Whether you opt for short-term contracts or a steady online teaching job, the flexibility of this profession aligns perfectly with the nomadic lifestyle. It's a fulfilling way to make money while traveling, as you not only earn a steady income, but also experience the joy of cultural exchange and personal growth in each new destination. Love capturing breathtaking moments? Become a travel photographer or videographer. You'll document the beauty of different destinations and sell your work to travel publications or stock media platforms. Every click of the shutter or frame of video footage becomes a testament to your adventures, allowing you to share the wonders of the world with a global audience. Whether it's the serene landscapes of Iceland, the bustling streets of Tokyo, or the vibrant markets of Marrakech, your lens becomes a bridge that connects viewers to far-off places. Monetizing your work through stock photography, freelance assignments, or selling prints can make your travels not just self-sustaining, but also incredibly rewarding. Travel photography and videography offer a truly immersive way to make a living while wandering the globe, blending your work and passion into a visually stunning journey of a lifetime. Foodies, this one's for you. Be a traveling chef or food blogger, exploring diverse cuisines and cultures while reviewing restaurants and street food worldwide. Your taste buds will thank you. As you feast your way through local markets, street food stalls, and Michelin-starred restaurants in various destinations, your taste buds become storytellers. Your insights into regional dishes, cooking techniques, and dining cultures resonate with food enthusiasts everywhere. Through monetization avenues like food blogging, sponsored collaborations, and restaurant reviews, you can turn your Epicurean escapades into a sustainable income source. Traveling chefs and food bloggers have the privilege of indulging in the world's culinary treasures while making money doing what they love most, celebrating the universal language of food. Freelancers, you have the freedom to take your work on the road. As a freelancer, you have the autonomy to choose your projects, clients, and work locations. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant, the ability to work remotely means your office can be anywhere you desire, from a beachside bungalow in Bali to a cozy cafe in Barcelona. This flexibility not only allows you to tailor your work to your travel schedule, but also enables you to immerse yourself in new cultures and experiences. Freelancers can tap into a global client base, cultivating professional relationships worldwide while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It's a lifestyle that harmoniously blends work and travel, offering the freedom to explore new horizons while staying connected to your career and income stream. YouTube. It's not just for cat videos. You can become a YouTuber, sharing your travel adventures with the world, showcase your personality, and as your channel grows, earn through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Becoming a YouTuber, especially in the travel niche, is a remarkable way to turn your passion for exploration into a thriving career. As a travel YouTuber, your camera becomes your passport to the world, and your channel becomes a platform to inspire, educate, and entertain audiences with your globe-trotting adventures. You document your journeys, share travel tips, and showcase the beauty of different destinations. Over time, your channel can generate revenue through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise, and even collaborations with tourism boards or travel-related brands. The best part, you have the creative freedom to craft your content and the flexibility to explore new places on your terms. Being a travel YouTuber isn't just about making money. It's a way to capture the magic of your travels and share it with a global community while financing your nomadic lifestyle. If you own property, consider being an Airbnb host. Rent out your place when you're traveling, covering your expenses, and maybe even turning a profit. Becoming an Airbnb host or renter is a brilliant strategy to both sustain your travels and immerse yourself in local cultures. As an Airbnb renter, you open your home to travelers from all corners of the globe while you explore the world yourself. This dual lifestyle offers financial benefits, as the income generated from renting your property can offset your travel expenses and sometimes even turn a profit. It's a win-win situation, where you contribute to the global sharing economy while fulfilling your wanderlust, making Airbnb rental an excellent choice for those seeking to fund their travels while enjoying a deeper connection with the places they visit. Social media managers. This one's a winner. Help businesses grow their online presence while working remotely. You'll have the flexibility to explore new destinations in your free time. In this digital age, businesses rely heavily on their online presence, and skilled social media managers play a crucial role in crafting and maintaining that image. As a social media manager, you can work remotely, curating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and implementing marketing strategies for clients or companies while exploring new destinations. This career offers the flexibility to balance work with travel, allowing you to seize the opportunity to discover diverse cultures, cuisines, and landscapes in your free time. Not only can you earn a steady income, but you can also gain invaluable insights into global markets, trends, and consumer behavior, all while living out your dream of seeing the world. It's a dynamic career that lets you combine your love for travel with your knack for digital marketing, making it an exciting and fulfilling way to make money while on the road. Many companies hire remote customer support representatives. This role allows you to provide assistance and support to customers from different locations, all from the comfort of your laptop or mobile device. Whether you're troubleshooting technical issues, addressing inquiries, or assisting with orders, you can do it from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility empowers you to immerse yourself in new cultures, experience different time zones, and adapt to varying work environments, all while maintaining a steady income. It's an ideal option for those who seek to balance their love for travel with a reliable source of income. Lastly, consider becoming a travel agent. Help others plan their dream vacations while earning commissions and enjoying the perks of familiarizing yourself with various destinations. Your expertise in travel logistics, accommodations, and itineraries becomes a valuable asset as you guide clients through their journeys. What's more, you often get first-hand knowledge of different destinations, enhancing your credibility and understanding of various cultures. Being a travel agent offers the chance to immerse yourself in the world of travel, and as you assist others in crafting memorable experiences, you also have the flexibility to explore new horizons yourself. It's a fulfilling and dynamic profession that not only satisfies your passion for travel, but also provides a stable income stream, making it a compelling way to see the world while earning a living. There you have it, folks. 12 amazing jobs that will let you travel the world while making a living. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with the right job, you can explore its pearls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, if you have questions or want more information on any of these jobs, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep working and keep wandering. Safe travels!